Hello ladies and gents, today I'm going to talk about a really cool Excel shortcut. Its official name is Quick Analysis, Ctrl+Q, but I prefer to call it shortcut for the lazy dude. Say here we have a simple table. The first column contains a list of names and the second column contains the number of their followers. Nothing sexy, just some plain raw data. How about we breathe some life into this table? Now here's the magic. Click on any cell within the table and type Ctrl+Q. Ta-da! Instantly we get this cool pop-up window with some really handy features. You can do data formatting such as data bars, color scales, etc. You can also create charts such as columns or bars. You can run some basic statistics on the data such as sum or average, etc. Now go and try it out. Bring some magic to your fingertips. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Click subscribe and I'll see you soon with more Excel tips.